Hi everyone, this is Vijay. Before going to problem, subscribe and support my channel Stats Vijay. Now I am going to take transportation problem. One of the method is Vogel's approximation method using modified distribution method, shortly pronounced by VAM using MODI. So before enter the problem, have to check. So it is balanced or unbalanced. So summation A equal to summation Bj. A total is 28 and Bj total also 28. Therefore it is balanced transportation problem. Therefore it is balanced transportation problem. Now I am using Vogel's approximation method. So in this Vogel's approximation method, I have to find difference for every row and every column. In first row difference 1. So first row least value is 8, another least value is 9, difference is 1. Second row first least value is 7, another least value is 10, difference is 3. Third row 7, 9, difference is 2. In fourth row 10, 12, difference is 2. In same thing column D1. So first difference is least value is 10, again 10. So there is no least value 0. Second column 7, 9, difference is 2. Third column 7, 8, difference is 1. So in this difference, so which one is highest value? 3 is highest value. In 3 second row, in this second row least value is 7. I take AI Bj. So AI Bj compared to AI Bj least value is 7. So I allocate 7 here and subtract that remaining 3. In this row there is no remaining value. I strike out entire row. So next one is D2, difference 2. Same thing, least value is 8 and the least value is 9, 1. So here no value. So third row is 7, 9, 2. Fourth row 10, 12, 2. D2 column, first column is 10, 11, 1. Second column 9, 9, 0. Third column 7, 8 is 1. In second difference, highest value is 2. In this row there are 2, 2 is there. So I take this priority first to 2. So in this 2, third row, in third row least value is 7, 9, 8, least value is 8. So remaining 1. In this column there is no remaining value. I strike out entire column. Next one is D3, difference 3, 9, 10, difference is 1, no value, 9, 11, difference is 2, 12, 14, difference is 2. In D3, first column 10, 11, difference is 1, 9, 9, 0, no value. So in third difference, highest value is 2. Third row, in same thing, 9 is least value. Here 1, 3, minimum is 1. So I subtract this, remaining 2. I cancel the entire row. So next difference 4, 9, 10, 1, no value, no value. 12, 14 is 2. Difference 4, 10, 12 is 2, 9, 14, 5, no value. So in D4, highest value is 5. This 5, second column, in second column least value is 9, 8, 2, minimum is 2. I subtract this, remaining 6. In this column there is no remaining value. I cancel the entire column. And finally there are only 2 values. In 2 values the least value is 10. I take this 10. Here A is 6, Bj is 10, minimum is 6, I allocate here. After subtraction remaining 4, in this row no remaining value, I cancel entire row. Finally 12, 4, 4. So next one is find out the answer. Therefore transportation cost equal to rupees. So I multiple every allocated cells 10 into 6 plus 9 into 2 plus 7 into 7 plus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 8 plus 12 into 4. Transportation cost rupees 240. Transportation cost is rupees 240. So I multiple and add every allocated cells 10 into 6 plus 9 into 2 plus 7 into 7 plus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 8 plus 12 into 4. Our answer is 240. Now I am using modified distribution method. modified distribution method. So Cij table for allotted cells, Cij table for allotted cells. So from this table, which one we allot? So first row, first column, first row, second column, and second row, second column, third row, second column, third row, third column, fourth row, first column. So I enter question only 10, 9, 7, 9, 7, 12. So Cij table for allotted cells. From this table I take question only where we allot that cells 10, 9, 7, 9, 7, 12. So now I give the values for u1, u2, u3, u4 for every row and v1, v2, v3 for every column. And I put 0 for maximum allocation. So maximum allocation is 3, here 3 values. So I put 0 for V2, V2 equal to 0. Next I subtract from 9 to 0. So U1 is 9, so outer value is 0. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Next U2 7, 7 minus 0 is 7. Next one U3 7, here no value. So I drop this. Next one is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9. Next one V1 12 minus, there is no value, so I drop this. Next 10 minus 9 is 1 and V3 7 minus 9 is minus 2, U4 12 minus 1 is 11. So here Cij table for allotted cells. First we write down the allotted questions. After allotted questions I find out U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3 values. So before find out the value I put 0 for V2 because in V2 there are 3 values 1, 2, 3. So maximum value here, so I put V2 equal to 0. After put V2, so I U1 9, outer value is 0, 9 minus 0 9 and U2 7, 7 minus 0 is 7 and U3 9 minus 0 is 9 and V1 10 minus 9 is 1 and V3 7 minus 9 is minus 2 and U4 12 minus 1 is 11. Sorry. So next one is Cij table for unallotted cells. Cij table for unallotted cells. So which one is empty here? Which one is empty here? That is unallotted cells. So same I take a question from here. So 8, 10, again 10, 11, 14, 10. And same values, write on the same values U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3. So in this table I take this 8. So in outer value I addition, outer value 9 minus 2 is 7. I subtract this, 8 minus 7 is 1. Next one is I take this 10, outer value is 7 plus 1, 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. I take this 10 minus 2, 7 is 5. I subtract this, remaining 5 and 14, 0 plus 11 is 11, 14 minus 11 is 3 and next one is 10 minus 2, 11 is 9, 10 minus 9 is 1. So again I repeat Cij table for unallotted cells. So take that unallotted questions 8, 10, 10, 11, 14, 10. After that same value U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3. So first I take this 8, the outer value is 9 minus 2. I add this 2 value, so 7. After put 7, I subtract this 8 to 7. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So next one I take this 10. Here outer value is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. Next one is 10, so outer value is 7 minus 2, 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. And finally 14, 0 plus 11, 11, 14 minus 11 is 0, 3 and 10, 11 minus 2 is 9, 10 minus 9, 1. So next one is delta ij table, delta ij table. So in delta ij table, where we subtract this, I take this value 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 1. So since delta ij greater than or equal to 0. So in this delta ij table there is no negative value, so our delta ij is correct and there is no difference for modified distribution method. So our answer is therefore transportation cost equal to rupees 240. Thank you.